Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Squid Game logo. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing some guidelines that we can erase later. Let's draw a line across. And then another one underneath. Now let's leave a small gap, and for the bottom row, let's draw another line. And then one more again with the same spacing as the top two. Okay, now that we have the guidelines, we can start drawing the letters. Okay, let's start on the top left and let's draw a line down. Then from the top, let's bring it over to the left. And the same thing underneath, but a bit shorter. Now from both of the lines, let's draw a curve out and back in. Now let's bring it over to the right and curve it down to the guideline. And the same thing underneath. Now let's bring both of the lines over to the left. And close it off at the end. Now let's hop over, and for the next letter, let's start with a large circle. And then another circle inside. Next, let's hop into the center and let's draw a line across. And then from both ends, let's angle it down past the guideline to the next one. And then close it off at the bottom. Now let's hop over to the right and let's draw a line across at the top. Now let's bring it down and then curve it over to the guideline and back up. And now let's add a line down on the right as well and curve it over. Now at the end of both of the lines, let's bring it up, extending it past the guideline. And close it off at the top. Now on the right, let's draw the letter I with two lines down. And then close it off at the top and bottom. Now for the letter D, let's draw a line down on the right. Then let's bring it out from the top and from the bottom. And then a curve to close it off. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a line down on the left. And then bring it over from the top and bottom. And then connect it with the curve. And that's it for the word squid. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the word game. Let's start underneath the Q here and let's draw an angled line down like this. And then let's bring it over across the guideline to the left. And then another line underneath. Now from the top line, let's curve it down to the bottom. And the same thing from the bottom line. Now let's bring both of these lines over to the right side. And close it off at the end. Next, let's hop in and let's draw a small line down. Then from the top, let's bring it over to the right and angle it down past the guideline. And let's do the same thing underneath. And close it off at the end. Now let's move over, and for the next letter, let's draw an angle up and bring it back down. And the same thing inside. And then close off the bottom of each side with a line across. Next, let's draw the letter M. For this one, let's start with a line down, then a line across at the top. Now let's draw a V-shaped point down and back up. Bring it over again and down. Now let's hop in and let's draw a line down on the left and on the right. And then 2 angles down towards the center. And now let's close off the bottom of each of the sides and also the middle. Lastly, on the right, let's draw the letter E. Let's start with a line down. Then let's bring it over from the top and bottom. Next, from the top, let's draw a line down and a line up from the bottom. Now let's bring it in and then connect it with a line down. Now let's hop into the center and let's draw a small line here. Then let's bring it out from the top and bottom. And close it off at the end. Now that we're done all the letters, we can go ahead and erase the guidelines. And that's it for the Squid Game logo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!